Hi, my name's Ian Slater, and I'm the founder of Trove Partners here in New York City. Today, I'm going to show you this 9,500 square foot Neo-Georgian mansion on the corner of 61st and Park. Let's head inside. The house was built in a Neo-Georgian style in 1910 and sprawls over 5 stories. When you enter into this mahogany wood-paneled sitting room and entry room, you know you're just in an amazing Upper East Side townhouse. Unique to this townhouse, once you come past the entry foyer, there's a sumptuous sitting room in addition to a bedroom that can be used as a staff room. But I'm going to pop you up to the parlor floor first. The parlor floor is truly massive with multiple distinct spaces. In the front of the house is this Master of the Universe home office, complete with its own fireplace, crown molding, and 2 picture windows facing over the street. Just imagine the deals that can happen in this office, and once the market closes, let me show you where you go relax. In this oversized living room, you really can feel how this house was built over 100 years ago. You have original picture and crown molding all throughout and an amazing custom plaster detail over the mantle. It's extremely quiet and off of the street, but you still get tons of light through these oversized windows. This house has massive square footage, which means a lot of extra space. And what better to fill that extra space with additional dining rooms. This is the secondary or breakfast room of the house. Now, it's situated in the back and super quiet area of the house, far from the bedrooms, which means it's perfect for morning coffee and newspaper or poker night. Calling all my art collectors. This house is so deep that you have landings on every single floor with enough wall space to show off your artworks. Up on the 3rd floor is my favorite room in the house, the grand formal dining room. The room has epic proportions, fitting a dining table big enough to entertain 10 of your closest friends. It also has more original detail, such as another fireplace, gorgeous chevron floors, and these big built-ins large enough to house all of your china. On the back of the 3rd floor, we have the amazingly huge primary suite, which just exudes New York history. This room has extremely high 10.5-foot ceilings, original picture and crown molding, and yet another wood-burning original marble fireplace. Of course, it's large enough for a king-size bed, making it the perfect place to wake up before your morning stroll down Park Avenue. The 4th floor is your guests or kids level with 2 full-width bedrooms, including this south-facing sun-drenched stunner. Big enough for 2 beds as well as a lounge area. Where else in New York City can you spoil your kids with this much space? We've reached the final bedroom, a huge pin-drop quiet guest suite on the 4th floor. Now this has been a very long tour of this amazing Upper East Side townhouse. I got a little tired. I think I'm gonna take a nap. Well, this has been fun, guys. Thanks so much for coming by.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.